am going to show you a kind of salsa which you can find in northeast of India. This is a very fast and quick recipe and the ingredients are very common, so you can make it anytime at home. So let's cook. These are my ingredients. For this dish you need long beans. If you can get organic, then it is very good. Wash properly because it is going to be raw. Tomato, onion, garlic cloves with skin and chilies, fresh chilies. I'm going to roast the tomato, fresh chilies, garlic on a gas stove. It will take only few minutes. Remove the end part of long beans. Size should not be too fine, should be bite size. Long beans have B, E vitamins and minerals. Onion also same size, approximately half centimeter. I prefer red onion. Red onion has high amount of antioxidant properties. Raw beans and raw onions in a bowl. I already peeled the roasted tomato and garlic. Salt as per taste. I'm crushing the roasted ingredients in a mortar. Now mix these crushed ingredients with raw vegetables. Our crunchy long bean salsa or salad is ready to eat. We eat with our main course, that is rice and sabzi dal. You can serve this salsa with any deep fried thing also. Now I am going to try to check the seasoning and the taste. Very nice. Very fresh. It's very refreshing. If you like my recipes, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.